Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can buy stocks in the Webull. First, you have to go and you have to open your Webull app. Here in the bottom, you can see many options. Here you have watch list, market and open account. So just you have to go to market for buying stocks. Now here you can see stocks, ETFs, options, future and even so as we want to buy here stocks. So just you have to go and you have to click on stocks on the top. Now here you can see all the trending coins, and here if I scroll down you can see here earning session as well. You can see the market overview, and here you can also see the trending coin as well. You can see here Apple, NVDA, and you can see here even more coins by clicking on more. Here you can see many trending coins and you can see how the coins are doing. Here you can go and you can open any coin. Like here if we go and if we click on Apple, you can see that Apple has opened next to us. There's also one more way of researching for any coin. You can see here the magnifying glass in the bottom. You can go and you can research here for any coin. Here for example, if we go and if we research for Apple, here I have opened the Apple coin. You can see before buying any stock you can go and you can check all the detail about the stock. Here you can see the market price, you can see the volume, and you can see the average price as well, and you can decide from these detail if you want to buy the stock or not. Moreover, you can also go and you can check the graph. Here you can see their monthly graph, their 3-month graph, and you can also go and you can change the graph type to maybe candles. Here you can see that now I have changed the chart to candle. You can add here hollow candle or area. Is totally up to you. Whatever you feel is easy for you, you can change according to your own ease. And here you can also go and you can change the indicators as well. Here just you have to click on more, and here you can see indicators, and here you can add and even you can remove the indicator. Like here I have added the volume indicator and some other indicators. Now you can see here the indicators has been added to the graph as well. Now here moreover you can see your order book as well. You can see here detailed order book, and if you scroll here down you can see more detail. Like here you can see the order flow distribution as well and many other details. And here if we talk about how you can buy a stock, here in the bottom you can see the option called open account and paper trading. Basically this paper trading is a practice account that people use for practice. Like if you are new here, you can go and you can do the practice by this paper trading, and in the paper trading basically you do all the trading with the fake money. This is basically a practice account. And here you can see this open account. So if you have not yet opened the account, so this option will appear here. You can go and you can watch a video about open account if you have not opened your account yet. Once you will gonna open your account here, then you will gonna see here the option called buy and sell, where you can go and you can buy. Here you basically have two order types for buying. One is market order and other is limit order. In the market order, basically you do trading with the market price. Like if the stock is currently $200, then you have to buy that at the market price $200. That's how basically this market order works. And here just you have to select the type, and then here you have to select the quantity, and you can buy in the market order. For the limit order, basically you put a limit. Like for example, if the current price is 200 and you have this gut feeling that price will go down to maybe 195 or 197. So basically here you set a limit. Like if the price has gone down to 197, then you can buy the coin at that price. So if in case the price has gone down to 197, then you can buy the stock automatically. That's how basically this limit order works. Here just you have to put a limit value and then the quantity, and after that you can click on buy and you can buy. And that's basically all about how you can buy stocks in the Webull. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.